Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the latest update to the work order filters interface. Previously, the emergency and follow-up options were only accessible within the main filter list and inside info field. With this update, those filters have now been moved outside the info field for quicker and easier access. In the updated user interface, you'll now notice dedicated buttons directly available on the screen. The follow-up button and the newly added location down button. This change helps streamline navigation and reduce the number of clicks needed to filter work orders. Starting with the emergency button. When selected, it immediately displays all work orders tagged as emergency. Next is the follow-up button. Clicking this will show all work orders currently marked for follow-up. Additionally, the location down button has been added to allow users to quickly view location-related information directly from the work order screen. Overall, this update improves accessibility to commonly used actions and makes the workflow more efficient for users managing work orders.